Stop your hair loss with this hair serum. With only 4 natural and available ingredients at home. The story goes that many people do not want this natural recipe for treating hair loss and regrowing damaged hair and treating lice and mites to be published. A recipe that is effective for every living creature that has hair. Do you know how much your expenses will be reduced? 1 arrow and 2 arrows. You will not lose anything at all, so listen carefully. I want to give you a natural and very practical recipe that will be effective for both yourself and your loved ones and for your pet. I want to treat your concern that you have severe hair loss and an itchy scalp that bothers you, or you have dead and dull hair, and on the other hand, your dog or cat also has severe hair loss or has baldness and hair loss. You are very tired and disappointed with this situation. The solution is here. Imagine that moment and not seeing any hair on your clothes or bed or parquet floor. Your hair will be thick and healthy without any hassle or worry. Or your pet will have fleas or lice and your fear will increase when you have a child or an elderly person and you are worried about spreading it to family members. Face screaming in fear. This is a big problem for many months. We love pets and we never want our family's health to be at risk. I went through exactly these troubles myself and was looking for a way to make my hair strong and my pet's blood stay healthy. And now this homemade recipe has worked. If you want to know how to make this miracle at home with natural ingredients and keep your hair and pet healthy, stay until the end. The last recipe is the most important, so don't leave the video. You might forget, so subscribe now because it is in your interest, and prevention and treatment that do in a natural and effective way are rare. There are over 50 years of experience behind every piece of content on this channel. Please share as much as you can with everyone you know who is struggling with these issues. Up to this point, the list of ingredients has been measured. Dried rosemary, 4 tablespoons of thyme, about 10 to 15 dried bay leaves, and 3 tablespoons of thyme, pecan seeds. Put these ingredients and 3 glasses of water on low heat. When the boiled water is about a glass, the extract is used to make the serum and anti-hair loss cream. The properties of the anti-hair loss and strengthening serum are: xenotation spot rosemary improves blood circulation in the scalp, keeps the scalp healthy with its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, reduces hair loss and stimulates hair growth. It also makes the hair soft, shiny, and strong. Xenotation spot bay leaves, due to their strong antioxidants, reduce hair loss, strengthen follicles, and prevent premature aging of the skin and hair. Xenotation spot pecan seeds have antifungal and antibacterial properties and help treat scalp problems such as dandruff and fungus, and are very powerful in destroying lice and mites. They protect the skin and hair from infection. When these ingredients are combined, they create a very strong anti-hair loss, anti-inflammatory, scalp strengthening, and hair growth stimulating serum that ensures scalp health, makes hair thick and shiny, and reduces fungus, dandruff, and any scalp problem. Now tell me, do you have a pet at home? Have you ever made a homemade serum for your pet? Share your valuable experience and comment. Let us all benefit. We pass the decoction through a mesh strainer and fill it with a spray bottle. You can use this strengthening and anti-hair loss serum every day. It does not need to be washed. If you have nourished your entire scalp with this hair serum, be sure to gently massage your hair. Silky and healthy hair is your reward. To make a hair cream, use the hair serum we have prepared and add the same amount of coconut oil. With the help of a mixer or blender, we give the cream form to the mixture of serum and coconut oil. The main bomb is this cream. You will be shocked. Friends, you know that if you have autoimmune disease, you should never use cosmetic and therapeutic products from the market. Even if they are the most expensive, they will cause you irreparable harm. If you are looking for an alternative, natural cosmetic and treatment products are the best option. Always follow the channel. I also have autoimmune disease. If I use unnatural products, I get a lot of inflammation and even walking becomes difficult. Like and comment the last and most useful step in preventing hair loss and strengthening damaged hair starts now. Hair cream with a very pleasant texture and aroma and incredible properties. Everyone will love it. I told you about the properties of the three components of hair serum, about coconut oil, which is a natural miracle for hair. Palm tree's notation spotted is a strong moisturizer that is easily absorbed by the hair and scalp and prevents dryness and frizz, zenotation spot strengthening and repairing. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft and prevents brittleness and split ends. Zenotation spotted is antifungal and antibacterial, which helps reduce dandruff and scalp health. Zenotation spot contains lauric acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and stimulates hair growth. Zenotation spot increases hair shine and softness, especially great for dry and damaged hair. Overall, coconut oil is one of the best natural oils for healthy hair. This hair cream is a concoction of 4 of the most powerful herbs in herbal medicine that have many properties for hair regrowth and the treatment of hair loss and other problems. The third use is to add the remaining hair serum to your daily shampoo. You won't believe how much this reduces the damage that commercial shampoos do to your hair. One of the reasons for hair loss, gray hair, dandruff, itchy scalp, all because of the shampoo we use. There are other factors involved. I will mention all of them in the future. A lot of energy is spent on content production. Please compensate by publishing videos and subscribing to the Healthy Lifestyle channel. I leave it to God.